I saw this image trending on Twitter today, and this is funny because it would take so many print lines to actually write chess this way. But how many? So I popped this code into Visual Studio Code, and I'm using the new chat feature of GitHub Copilot, which is coming soon. So first, let's just ask it how many print statements we would need to build a complete chess game this way and see if it can pick up from the little code that I've given it. And it just says it's difficult to say, but it doesn't give us an answer. So let's try again and be a little bit more specific and tell it that we actually want to print out every single possible chess game, because that's what this code is actually doing. And it would be 10 to the 120th power. It would take an impractical amount of time and resources. And just to give you some perspective on how big that number is, I asked Bing how many atoms are in the known universe, and it's less than the number of print statements that you would need to complete that. And that's why this is on Programming Humor.